All right, boys and girls, we have chapter 16, practice 6. We finally moved from time to temperature, the other part of this chapter. So it says fill in the blanks with these words. I see a cool day, water freezes, a hot day, room temperature, water boils. So really, really hot, 212 degrees Fahrenheit. That is not freezing water. It's not room temperature if you're boiling water. It's hot, 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 hot. Water boils. 212 degrees, water boils right here. Let's go to the other end and let's look at cold. 32 degrees. That's when it's so cold outside, it's freezing cold. In fact, you can freeze water. Okay? Cool. 50 degrees. Well, I'm going to say a cool day, right? Cool, cool. That's cool. Okay. Hot, 105 degrees. That's a hot day. Again, hot, 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 hot. It says hot. It's a hot day. Sweaty, yuck. All right, warm, 68 degrees. If you look on the thermostat of your house, it's probably going to be pretty close to 68 degrees. Could be 75, it could be 65. It kind of just depends on your preference, but that's probably going to be room temperature is about 68 degrees. Cool, 50 degrees. Oh, we said that was a cool day, didn't we? Yep. All right, so we're done with that page. Next, write each temperature using degrees Fahrenheit. Then write hot, warm, cool, or cold. So I'm going to zoom in here a little bit. And the example says, let's see, there's 50. There's a big line in the middle between 50 and 60, and it's halfway, so it's going to be 55. And then we go 56, 57, 58. 58 degrees. Looking back on here, 58 degrees, that's going to be cool. Okay? Let's look here now. Number 2, we're going to zoom in. I see 70. It looks like, 71 degrees? That's going to be probably warm. Okay, that's a probably shorts and a t-shirt kind of day. Warm. Okay? Maybe long. Probably about that. Warm it is. Number 3. Zooming in. Whoa, we're in the hundreds. 120. There's 125, so it's got to be less than 125. 121. 122. Looks like it's about 123 degrees. That is hot. All right. Number 4. We're way up in the 90s. 91, 92 degrees. Again, hot. Well, let's look here. Number 5. 90. Well, if 92 is hot, 90 is probably hot as well. Okay? Hot. That looks like it's about 101. Hot. Again, hot. And way down here, number 7. Zooming in. Oh, burr. 21. That's less than freezing. So I'm going to say really cold. All right, let's look up here at 8. Circle the temperature that matches the activity. Comfortably reading inside of a house. Again, that's probably going to be about 70 degrees, right? 18 would be freezing cold. These two are both really close. 98 and 102 is only a couple apart. You know, it's only 4 degrees apart. But 98 degrees is around our body temperature. 102 degrees you are considered to have a fever. Like that's the one that you got to stay at home. So 102 is this one. You are sick. All right, circle the picture that matches the temperature. Well, the temperature looks to be about 32 degrees. That's freezing cold right there. That's icicle time, okay? This is 100 degrees. I don't think you're wearing long sleeves, jackets, or sweaters at 100 degrees. It's lay on the beach. It's hot. Shade the temperature on each thermometer. Okay, so this is 65 degrees. You have 50, 60, 65 right there. So I draw the line first, and then you can lightly fill in this one here. So 50 degrees. You find 50 degrees, draw your line straight across, and then just kind of lightly fill that in right down here, okay? 13 is 32. Now remember, 30, there's 40. Halfway is 35, so every one of these little marks is 1 degree. So there's 30, 31, 32. So come over here, carefully draw your line, and then just lightly shade in below. Whoa, 212. Remember what that was? 212 degrees? Yep, that's right. Water boils. So 210, 211, 212, right about there. And then fill in the bottom. How's it coming along there, Miss TikTok? Good. Okay. 0 degrees. Well, that's right on the 0 line. That's way below freezing. Pow, pow, about right there. Fill in the bottom. All right, last two. Water boils at and water freezes at. Let's come back up here to the beginning of this chapter. Hot, 212 degrees. We said water boils. I believe Coach Pottinger used that 211, 212 degrees as 1 degree more as an inspirational shirt back in the day. Maybe that was a state championship run. I'm not sure. 212 degrees and 32 degrees, and here it was, water freezes. So to move back to our final two questions, water boils at how many degrees? 212. That's right. And water freezes, yep, 32 degrees. All right, thanks, boys and girls. There we go with practice 6. Here's practice 7. Looks like a couple times to do a little time telling here. Real world problems. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Hey, we're almost finished with the chapter. Wow. All right, next time, practice 7, real world problems. Thanks, boys and girls.